Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Kibbers Plains. Our phone number is 07384813882, and today we have a 2004 Hyundai Getz GL hatch 3-door. Stock reference number 4590. This shape runs from the 9th month 2002 through the 9th month 2005. It is a G4 EC2, 1.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine, backed by 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive transmission. G4 EC2, 1.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has had a light hit in the front end. We have the bonnet, which appears to have 3 dents. Radiator grille, right hand headlight, left hand headlight, left guard appears to have no damage. This is fitted with 14-inch steel rims. Left front has a good tyre. Left power door mirror, left door, multiple small dents and a light fold on the rear edge. Left rear 14-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Left hand tail light. Tailgate appears to have no damage, got a tidy rear bumper cover. Right hand tail light, right rear 14-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Right door, light fold on the rear edge and 2 small dents. Right power door mirror, faded paint. Right guard appears to have no damage, and a right front 14-inch steel rim with a good tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with grey cloth interior, manual type centre console, 5-speed manual gear shifter, heater controls, interior mirror, right hand sun visor, and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.